Good morning! We are ready to check out. Muna ni? Online checkout lang?
Yeah.
Time check, 8:23. Happy Wednesday, guys. Here's gonna be one last view sa ating... Yeah, may pa. Huwag tayo picture diri ba? One last view, guys. Thank you so much, Holiday Inn. We had so much fun. Pictures ako na may, oy. Ah, silang lulo po do.
All checked out.
Yay! Thank you, Daddy, for this experience. Ooh. Dia, the chargers lang ga.
Oh, masubra di ko bayad yan.
Really?
Pwede itong deposit.
Oh.
Check out, may balik check din 60.
Oh, that's good. Goodbye yesterday. You. Bring.
Let's go.
Thank you. Off we go, hitting the road again. May stopover kami punta sa yung parang, sige ito Daddy, sige pamunta na Daddy. Viewpoint. Pang picture daw, it's a must, sabi ni yung co-worker ni Daddy. Sabuk ko yung Daddy. It's good na away ka sa civilization ba, and not a lot of people going there kasi I don't think marami pa yung nakakaalam ng na-stayhan namin, or I just don't know kasi dahil weekdays so everyone's working, maybe full pack din yun, but during our stay it was not that busy at all. Kahapon, wala kaming ginawa but we were just in the room, nag-relax lang kasi parang pagoda yung mga tao guys, especially si Daddy, he was so tired from driving. So, it's only Jacob, yung naliligo sa lake, sinasamahan din ni Jaden. Kasi kaming Daddy nasa room lang, nag-chill lang kami doon. Grabe, ang tagal umahon ni Jacob sa tubig. Dinner time na yun, from hapon until dinner. Nandun siya nakababad lang. Kasi solong-solo niya yung tubig doon. So yeah, uwi na kami guys. Jacob, Riley, oh. Riley. Because I uploaded a video and he said, yes, you guys upload again. I remember when I go to Kelowna, it was snowy there and it brings back so many memories. Oh, he went to Kelowna na di ay langga. Riley. Hi, Riley. What's the C?
So, like, you know how, like, for example, like, you want to see this and I give it to you, right? Like, you want to see it, not take it. So, you just like this.
Ano daw? Hirap man intindihin yun eh. Hindi man Do you still remember Kuya Danny Langga? He's a Rama. Daddy's, yeah? Do you still remember? He said you guys are so tall now.
Oh, 1 second. What do you want sa bagel ka, Jake?
Bagel.
Thank you. You too.
Here, baby. So, mga bata lang yung papakainin natin ng breakfast dahil ayaw namin kumain while mag-long drive. Kasi especially si Daddy is driving. Asang Boston, ani?
Nanandun.
Okay, Jacob, you eat this one first. Your bagel. And this is for Diha. It's so hot lang ga. Ano to kay Diha? Sausage wrap for Jaden. Di ka mag-coffee ko, Daddy? Oh, that's the Osoyoos Lake. Oh, that's our Kuan Langga hotel there, I think. Unsa daw ni makita ni mo diri?
The whole Osoyoos.
The whole Osoyoos. Gamay ra di kay nang Osoyoos di ay.
Would you like me to take your picture with the family?
It's okay. We had a video in here too, so it comes handy. Take a picture of you, sir?
No, I'm good.
Oh, you're good.
I dropped my phone in the creek.
Oh no!
So I've got it in some napkins.
Oh, okay,
I turned it off.
Okay, and then just wait for it to.
I have to take the picture. Roll on a rock.
Well, that's part of the adventure.
That's why.
So, ano na daw to guys? Whole Osoyoos yung nasa likod ko. Ayan. Tapos, kung nakita niyo yun, Yan yung hotel namin, nag-iibang kulay. Siya yung nag-iibang kulay na brown, medyo brown. Ayan. That's so nice. Spotted lake. Unsa may naaana? We'll see. Yeah. Yeah. Ang ganda, very unique. Grabe yung creation ni Lord. Spotted lake. May mga ano siya, yung mga circle-circle. Jacob just woke up. We're still on the road, guys. 2 hours, 9 minutes more.
But that's pit stop.
Guys, finally we are here. Dito kami sa Potter 3:15. Punta sana kami doon sa Naka, pero mag-close sila ng 3 p.m. Anong oras na? 3:16 na. So, hindi na kami aabot. I wanna try this one. Vietnamese iced tamarind drink. Lami pa ni garnish with roasted peanuts. Pwede mo ingon na walang peanuts lang. Pero not bad ba guys yung biyahe natin kasi straight lang. May mga times na winding road, ganon, but not most of the time na winding road talaga. More on ano siya, straight and then patag lang ba straight. Tapos along the way, biglang uulan, tapos biglang aaraw. You can't really understand kung anong nangyayari sa weather guys. But it's a good experience talaga. So ito na yung lunch nila guys. Chicken lemongrass kay Jacob and Diha lemongrass pork and then si Daddy lemongrass pork with with mga ganyan. It looks good. Ito na yung sa akin guys, 437 yung signature nila. May meatballs and ito yung itlog. Kailangan ko muna ibabad yung mga ganito para maluto. Kain muna tayo guys. Oh, thank you. Ito na yung tamarind drink. May peanuts. Paano kaya ito nung i-mix? Siguro yan. Teka lang. Mix natin. May mga peanuts siya. Kaya siguro binigyan ako ng ng spoon. Very unique yung flavor guys. Yung gusto ko dito guys, ito. Yung pickled garlic. Oh, no, take it. No, I'm good. Nick, you have rice. What about Diha? Usa ka rice eh? Tingawan ako sa tamarind soup eh. Yeah. Wala nang usap-usap. Yan guys, so ito yung to go natin kasi hindi natin maubos. Hi guys, finally we are home. 4:26. Kailangan ko na i-open kasi it's been a while na nakaganito to. Dapat pala yung stem ng cherries nyo is dapat dry siya para it's gonna last long. Hindi namin alam. So nung na-pick namin to, ganito na siya. Uy, sana okay pa siya. Ito, okay pa no? Yeah, so far okay pa man ilang mga stems, daddy. Oh, ayan. Daghan na di, uy. Ibalhin na di rin, no? Para di na mga lata. Kay sayang man. So, marami kaming pagbibigyan din ito. Kailangan namin bigyan yung coworker ni daddy. Tapos from the church. Kasi kung ako lang, hindi ko ito maubos, guys. At least makaano sila, makatry sila na cherries from Kelowna. Woo! Yung QA natin na fail kasi may maliit. Jacob, nakakay nakuha na little cherry. Tagal pa naman yung tinitingnan to. Para lang to make sure na walang baby daw na makuha niya. Eh, meron pa naman din. So, ayun na guys. Dito na lang kami sa bahay. Settle down, rest, and we still have 4 more days off. Pero wala nang ganap. Sa bahay na lang kami chill with the kids. Kasi summer na din, mga bata wala na din pasok. Daghan man din ni daddy, oh. Di ka mga taga ni taas. Palit ko dito. Hi! Guys, we are on the road again. 6:03 p.m. Pero, oh, maaraw pa rin. Ganyan yan guys kapag summer. So, we are dropping off the kids kasi Wednesday today and they have church activity and they can't miss that one. So, kagagaling lang natin sa long drive. Pero, yeah. Kailangan natin sila ihatid. Then, mamaya around 9 p.m. may ano tayo. We will watch movie na Jurassic Park sa Cineplex.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza.